This is the construction of type T2 designed made by Cyrus Panel. Today is day 8. On day 7, basically we prepared the roof panels, and which was yesterday, and yesterday was an excellent day to work on the sunny day. And today we installed the half of the roof on the second floor, and hopefully by tomorrow or the next day we can install the rest of the roof panels. The roof panels are already on the floor, they're already sized. We prepared them right at the site, and these are the foundations of the future houses.